Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Who doesn't love mangoes? For many of us, they were the highlights of our summers during childhood. A treat we would eagerly wait for all year long. But now living in Singapore, the best part is we get to enjoy mangoes throughout the year. Today, I'm sharing a quick and delicious recipe for mango chia custard. Now this is super simple to make and it's got plenty of room for variations, but this version is my go-to favorite. For this, first in a bowl you will take half cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them well and let it soak for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This will give us a nice jelly-like consistency that will be the base of our dessert. Next we will slice the mangoes. I've used here 1 big size mango. We will slice the mangoes and use 1 half of them to create a smooth puree, while the other half will be reserved for adding as mango chunks to the pudding later. Into a blender, we will take 1 cup of mango slices, half cup of condensed milk and blend them nicely until we get a very nice rich and creamy puree. Next, into a saucepan, we will take 3 cups of milk. Then we will add 3 tablespoons of custard powder to this, and then we will add the prepared mango puree. We are going to mix everything well to combine. Now I've used here a blender and pulsed it a few times to get it perfectly mixed, but I actually forgot to record this step. So use a blender and pulse it 2 to 3 times to get it nicely mixed. Now we will place this saucepan on medium flame and we will stir continuously until it comes to a boil. Now once it starts to thicken slightly, we'll turn off the heat. For this pudding, we don't need the mixture to be very thick. We want it in a very smooth pourable consistency. So once it boils and thickens slightly, we will switch off the flame. Next is the most interesting part. We will start plating the dessert. For this, we will use a bowl or a glass. We will add the soaked chia seeds at the bottom of the serving glass. Then on top of this, we will pour a layer of the mango custard mixture. Then we will add another layer of chia seeds, followed by chopped mango pieces. We will add more mango custard on top, filling the glass. Then add some chopped mango pieces on top of this. And finally, we are going to top it off with some chopped dry fruits for added crunch and flavor. We will need to let this pudding cool down completely. We will cover this with a lid or an aluminium foil and refrigerate it for about 3 to 4 hours. So here we have our chilled creamy pudding ready. This is easy to make, loaded with flavor and perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings any time of the year. So give it a try and I'm sure everyone will love it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.